In this video, I'm going to show you how to create outlines on text so you can make some really cool text effects doing this. So we're going to start off with a blank canvas here, and we're going to come over here and grab our text tool, the artistic text tool, and we're going to come up here and select the font. You see I got Cooper selected, and I'm just going to type it out. And let me go ahead and I've got it in white here so you can't hardly even see it, but that's the color that I want it for the finished product anyway. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to place a photograph. Oh, notice nothing's showing up and I only had the option to choose text files. Make sure you click away when you go to place, because it's not going to give you the option to choose your images if you don't. So there we got our photo here. And let's drag it down below. And zoom out a little bit. Or zoom in, zoom out. So I can shrink this picture some. So I'm wanting to capture some colors here. There we go. Something like that. Okay. Alright, the first thing we want to do is we want to click on our text layer. And we're going to go to FX. And we're going to select outline. And we're going to increase. Let me make this a little larger so you can see what's happening. Alright, now again we're going to click on our text layer. Click FX. We're going to select outline. We're going to increase the radius. About like that. And we're going to close. And then we want to do another outline, and to do that you need to group the text to itself, that text layer to itself, so you can right click and select group, or you can Control G or Command G. And once we do that, we're going to go back to the FX layer. We're going to select outline again, and we're going to increase the radius. And this time we want to select a different color. So we're going to select the color off of the picture itself here by dragging the eyedropper over. And then we're going to click on the new little circle that has changed colors here to apply it. And I don't think that outline is big enough, so we're going to increase it just a little bit more. There we go. And let's do it one more time. And we're going to group that text layer, because you can only do an outline once per layer. So we're going to group it again, select text effects, and we're going to select outline, and we're going to increase the radius again. And then I don't want that color. I want to select something else from the actual picture. We'll drag that eyedropper over to about right there. And then I'm going to click on the little circle and apply it. And that's all there is to applying text effects. Click away, and there you go. I hope this helped. And if this helped you, how about leaving a thumbs up, a comment, or even subscribe to this channel? Help me get that YouTube algorithm out there to get this channel out there. Thank you. You have a good day.